Mayong adlaw mga higala, welcome sa ato ang programang Let's Talk with Jonas. Karong adlaw mga igsoon, lahi na po ng episode ang atong paghisgutan. Reality gyapon. Dinhi sa Film Life Village, Uptown, Cagayan de Oro. House unlocked for sale. My guest for this episode is no less than a good friend of mine, Keisha. Kish, good afternoon and welcome to Let's Talk with Jonas.
Good afternoon, Joe, and hello, everybody.
All right, Kish, tell us about this property for the benefits of our viewers. Go ahead.
Okay, the property is in Philam Village. It's near the gate. Few meters lang yun from the gate.
All right.
The lot area is 200 square meters, and the floor area, since it's 3-level house, it's 457. 4 bedrooms with own bathrooms.
All right.
And nasa yung mga cabinets na ready na.
Mm.
And then we also have aircon and modular kitchen, and then the area comes with additional plants,
Yeah.
as you can see sa video.
This is a brand new house.
Yes, it's a brand new.
All right. Kumusta ang security sa Film Life Village?
Security here is very safe because there are security guards roaming the area, and they have also CCTV cameras installed around the subdivision, so safe ra gid ang mga magpupuyo dito.
All right.
And it's very exclusive. Kinada ni mga businessman, sa Philippines.
All right. Shall I see no problem in terms of electricity and water supply? Okay, kahit
Uptown
ulit.
ba yata?
Yeah.
Abundang uptown.
Yeah. Now, how much the ceiling price for?
32 million.
32 million.
Yes.
Open for bank financing.
Yes, it's open for bank or mas maayo kung cash.
Yeah, mas maayo kung cash. All right. So, guys, this property is a house unlocked, 3-story house. So, brand new. And as you can see, it will be flash on our screen. So, makita ninyo ang mga features dito sa ato ang gi-establish or atong gi-advertise ng property din sa atong programang Let's Talk with Jonas. So, actually, yes, I repeat, it's 32 million selling price for this particular property. All right, Kish, thank you very much.
Thank you,
and,
John.
for joining my show. Let's Talk with Jonas.
Okay, let's sell this house.
All right.